Marketers must base their decisions on data rather than assumptions or gut feelings in this era. It's not just about numbers. It involves testing strategies, analyzing, experimenting, and being inquisitive about key principles and tools to succeed in your marketing campaign. Consistency in monitoring user behavior and campaign performance is key when handling data. Focusing on one data point isn't meaningful. Analyze trends and changes over time. Big data encompasses massive data sets requiring specialized tools and computers for processing, stored in warehouses by companies like Google and YouTube. Marketers should focus on trends rather than absolute figures, utilizing ample data to unveil patterns, detect shifts, and inform decisions. Data mining involves uncovering concealed patterns within vast databases by seeking small details within big data. There are two primary methods for collecting web analytics: server-based tracking and cookie-based tracking. However, a third approach has emerged, known as universal analytics, which has transformed the process of data collection and analysis. Remarkably, even server tracking in universal analytics is non-cookie based. In capturing information, we have cookie-based tracking, server-based tracking, and universal data tracking. Cookie-based tracking is a common method, involves adding a page tag to each web page. When a user accesses the page, the tag code sends data to a third-party server, such as Google Analytics, for storage. Next, the server-based tracking is an approach involves analyzing log files generated by web servers. Server-based tracking is useful for monitoring mobile visitors who may not work with cookie-based JavaScript tags and is also compatible with universal analytics. And last, the universal data. Google introduced universal analytics to address tracking challenges. Universal analytics allows tracking across devices as long as there's authentication across them, enabling monitoring of a visitor's complete interaction journey with the company. Consistently monitoring user behavior and campaign performance is essential when working with data. Big data involves vast data sets, providing insights through trend analysis, while data mining uncovers hidden patterns using computer programs. Data can be collected through cookie-based tracking, server-based tracking, or the transformative universal analytics approach, which tracks individual visitors across devices and interactions. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.